Hello everyone! Welcome to Tayme Artistry, and today meron tayong natanggap na product. So we actually received 5 shades from RYL Beauty and we will try and swatch all of them to check yung mga shades nila. It is manufactured in the Philippines exclusively for RYL Beauty. It also says here, vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. Try ko siya, compared to other lip tint, hindi siya drying sa lips. Moisturizing nga siya. 10 ml. I'm actually wearing right now is the Fitting Rose. I have another shade here, Moody Red, mas dark. Burgundy Mood. We also have Red Velvet. We also have Soft Knit. So nice. From the packaging, I can see na okay siya. Mukha naman siyang durable. Perfect to sa mga students. Back when I was in high school, gumagamit talaga ako ng lip tint. Yung tigbe-20. Yung tigbe-20. Hindi ko alam kung alam niyo yun. Pero alam ng mga kabatch ko yun. Kung alam niyo yun, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng lip tint na yun. Pero 20 pesos lang yung nabibili sa tabi-tabi. So let's start swatching. So first, malinis na siya, although nakikita niyo yung mga shades. So, isa-isahin ko. Let's try the Fitting Rose. Ganito yung shade niya. Ito yung pang fresh na fresh. Okay. So, ganyan siya. Super rosy. Ito yung favorite ko kasi tinry ko na siya pala kanina. Kahit under foundation, kasi ngayon may foundation ako, it works pretty well. Basta make sure na tap-tap mo lang siya. Maganda to sa beach. Fresh na siya. Try natin yung kabila. Kahit ganito kadami ilagay mo, okay lang. Nagbe-blend naman siya. So, kahit damihan mo siya, parang hindi ka naman mukhang sinampal. So, kiri-boom lang. Okay, super fresh lang, diba? Tayo sa nose. Para kunwari, design. Dito, parang kunwari, summer. Okay. Sa lips, ito na yung nilagay ko kanina. Dagdagan natin. Tap. This is the shade. My favorite. Now, let's move on to the next color. Moody Red. Itong Moody Red, medyo dark siya. So, let's swatch it para ma-compare. Blend natin. Kumari lips natin. It's also very nice. Mas mature yung shade niya. If you will compare this, actually darker. Medyo orangey naman siya. Next, Burgundy Mood. Finish din siya. Let's check. Super nice niya kapag nabe-blend siya with your fingers. Medyo hawig sila ng shade. Siya. On to the next shade. This is Soft Knit. Medyo dark din siya. Ganyan. Let's try it. Nito siya. Diba? Palaban. Let's swatch Red Velvet. That's it. Fitting Rose, Moody Red, Burgundy Mood, Soft Knit, Red Velvet. Itong mga shade na to, depende pa rin sa effect ng shade ng lips nyo. Pag acidic, pwedeng mas darker yung effect. Kapag hindi naman, okay lang siya. Normally kasi pag hindi ka naman acidic, kuhang-kuha mo yung color sa lips mo. Acidic ako, so mukha pa rin siyang dark. So kanina, tinry ko yung Fitting Rose sa cheeks. Ayan siya, rosy. It looks nice even on camera. Also gonna blend it with another shade, which is the Red Velvet. So, ko rin siya. Maganda rin yung Red Velvet. And I'm gonna blend it out again with a Burgundy Mood para medyo glossy yung peg. Let's try. What I like about the lip tint is pwede mo siyang gamitin ng sabay-sabay. You can start with Fleeting Rose. And second layer, Red Velvet. Make sure you blend it out. Use your fingers. Medyo dirty kasi pag ginamitan mo ng fingers. So, if kaya naman ng lips mo lang, go lang. Let's check. Ngayon kasi nasa new normal na tayo. So, hindi siya kumakalat. Try naman natin mag-mask. Check natin kung didikit siya sa mask. So, I'm gonna wear an N95 mask. Ngayon kasi lahat tayo naka-mask. Yung problem ko sa lipstick ko, nagte-transfer siya sa mask ko. Wala siyang mark eh. Wala. Let's try with a mask. Kasi new normal. Alam niyo na. Push natin. Okay. Now, let's take it off. Kita nyo. Yung foundation ko nag-transfer. That's what I like about the product. Hindi siya nag-transfer. Long-lasting siya sa lips. Long-lasting din siya sa cheeks. So, kahit mag-swimming cap, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Super fresh na fresh pa rin. Alam mo yung parang pag sinabi ng mga friends mo, ba't pulang-pula yung pisngi mo? May sasagot mo, walk up like this. Nakakatawa. Maganda yung quality nito kasi dun sa 20 pesos. So again, thank you guys so much. I hope you like this quick review of this lip and cheek tint. This is so nice. Super fresh. Ang ganda sa face. If you wanna know more about this product, yung link ilalagay ko sa description box. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe na kayo now. Have a good day. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye!